The OnePlus 6, or whatever the Chinese phone maker will call its next flagship smartphone, is coming soon, most probably before the end of the second quarter this year. A new report has surfaced online that claims to have access to pricing details of the upcoming handset. It also reveals an alleged back cover of the OnePlus 6, which suggests the phone will sport a vertical dual-camera setup on the rear. And, lastly, OnePlus' next flagship is said to launch sometime later this month. According to a report by Gizmochina, the 64GB variant of the OnePlus 6 will be priced at 3,299 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs 34,200. The 128GB variant is said to be launched at 3,799 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs 39,300, while the top-end 256GB model might set you back by about 4,399 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs 45,600. The prices are similar to a previous report, which claimed an even higher price. Further, the report also shows a purported back panel case of the OnePlus 6. As per the sole image of the said case, we can expect the smartphone to bear a vertical dual-camera setup that is unlike the horizontal module on the recently launched Oppo R15. To put things in context, this means that the OnePlus 6 might not resemble Oppo's latest flagship, something that has usually been the case in previous generations. Talking about the launch details, the report suggests we might see an announcement in late April. However, more details will only be available once an official teaser or invite is sent out by OnePlus. Notably, Gizmochina had previously predicted that the OnePlus 6 would get a March 2018 release, but that clearly hasn't been the case. Recently, OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei had revealed that OnePlus' next flagship smartphone will sport a front-facing notch to incorporate the selfie camera and allow for a modern, seamless display design. He also said that it wouldn't be similar to the Oppo R15.